English tip by tip.
Tip 39. Asking the time.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Other ways to ask the time. What's the time?
What's the time?
It's 1 o'clock.
More polite.
Excuse me. Could you tell me what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Tip 39. Exercise. Crossword. Morning.
2 a.m. 4 a.m. 7 a.m. 6 a.m. 10 a.m. 8 a.m.
Noon.
3 a.m.
Anti-meridian.
5 a.m. 3 p.m. 11 p.m.
Afternoon.
9 p.m.
Post-meridian.
1 p.m.
Night.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.